Okay, welcome back to the next episode, the second episode of the podcast. We pick up from almost practically where we left off, since these episodes were recorded together. So yeah, before I bore you, let's get into it.
So there are like a bunch of prompts here. So one is like, what's your guilty pleasure? Not the seventh one. What is the most annoying habit someone can have? That's interesting.
What is an annoying habit? Um, Bam.
Oh, I have my answer for this. So I hate it. Like, when people, like, for example, the two of us are talking, okay? I'm trying to tell you something,
Yeah.
but you're constantly, you're like interrupting me. You want to, like, hijack the conversation and start talk about, oh, but you know what happened to me? Like, girl, okay, I'll get to that, but
Yeah.
it's a conversation. You cannot just be the speaker. You have to be like a listener also.
Yeah.
And fortunately, I don't know very many people like that, but I have known some people, and it's very annoying because then you don't feel like sharing anything with them anymore, and then they will pin that on you, that, oh, you're the problem because you are too reserved, or you're too good for like us, blah blah blah. So that's very annoying.
Wait, that's the thing, na? I think there's a dialogue in Fight Club only that when you're dying, people really listen to you. Other than correct. So yeah, so there's a completely unrelated. There's a dialogue in Fight Club, na? That when you're dying, people really listen to you instead of just like waiting for their turn to speak.
Speak, yeah.
So I think that happens a lot. Like people when they're talking, they don't really listen.
Hmm.
Like they're just waiting
For
for
the
turn to speak. Like that happens a lot. Like and weirdly enough, you know what? Like a ऐसे मेरे साथ क्लास में भी होता है. तो you know how we have 10 marks for class participation. So we have that for every subject.
Hmm.
So in every subject you have to find a way to speak in class.
Yeah.
Now some subjects you're like कि अब मैं क्या बोलूँ. So sometimes it happens is that one guy will have something to say and you will just try to piggyback off what.
Yeah.
Like you will not listen to it, but you'll be like कि shit इसके ऊपर ना मैं ये भी बोल सकता
हाँ.
हूँ. So you just wait for that guy to stop speaking and then just button and say whatever the fuck you wanted to say. Because the thing is, once you have say like a big it's a 10% of your grade.
Yeah.
So it's like a really big motivator to just like speak whatever the fuck you want. And a very easy way, like if the professor is good, everybody does this. Like if the professor is good, you'll just ask questions. Because the thing is, if the professor is good, they're teaching something. And to have questions, you need to know something.
Yeah.
It's like you can't be completely lost on the subject and still ask a question related to the subject. You can maybe do that in the first 2, 3 lectures. In the 40th lecture, you can't like know nothing and then ask a question. It's impossible to do it.
So are you like, in your case, so I know कि तुम लोगों को it's like mandatory for you guys do the class participation.
Yeah.
For us, it's not, So in our class, there are like 80 students, and I never speak in class. So I'm that student, like, even if I know the answer, I will just not say it because it just, I'm very silent.
Or a farming.
No, not like, like, oh my God, hand raise. Yeah, it's mitochondria. Like, no, I can't do. And I really, like, I am really like, uh, I'm fascinated by the people who can do it, because even in my, okay, so now, so I'm pursuing like a master's degree. So when I went into that degree, I thought that, oh, now it'll be all serious. It's like a bunch of adults, believe it has, no, everybody is just, like as wild and as just like crazy as you would imagine like an undergrad to be. To some extent, it's like a little mellow, but still people are crazy. And so when I first went, I was like, you know what? Yeah, everybody will be serious and blah blah blah. And it's not like that. So even in my class, there are like few people who are just obnoxiously loud and confident. And hats off to them, because even if you don't know the thing, or if you are not like book smart or something, if you have that confidence, people will start talking about you. You will be noticed. And in some, like, in my heart of hearts, I don't want to be noticed. It's just something that I want. Like, I never want to be the center of attention. I'm like कि I मुझे side में रहने को. I will just enjoy. I'll just do my shit and go, because I don't know. It's very difficult to handle all that tension. I'm not shaming them, because you know what? Not everybody is like that. Some people would do the opposite and be like कि यार ये कैसे quote unquote introvert लोग हैं, like they don't want to participate. It's not because I look down upon them or anything. It's just I just like physically cannot, because it's very difficult. Like I always fear that like I know people won't judge my every move. They are not scrutinizing about ki, oh, why is she moving her hand like that, or
Yeah.
why is she looking like that, why is she wearing that. But in my head, I think that they are doing that, and I just like make like a shield ki na mujhe दूर ही रख.
Okay. Nah.
Yeah.
Like I'm the complete opposite in that. I love being the center of attention. And I think like that is a big reason for me to like whatever like I like doing. Just like even in class, if you're talking about the way I mentioned, like I say school mein or class mein, that you would do like some stage related stuff or anything like that. So like that's being the center of attention only. Na? Like,
Yeah.
I think I used to really enjoy that, and I still like to a good extent do. The thing is ki I'm still not extroverted, I would say, like
Yeah.
really extroverted. I wouldn't say that I'm an introvert, but I'm not really extroverted. Like I cannot talk to just anybody.
Yeah.
Like, I would need to have like something in common, or maybe like some ice would need to be broken.
Yeah.
Like in a way I have like at my ripe old age of 23, I have figured out how to break the ice.
Yeah.
But like that, like it is there. Like if I'm in class, and as you said, if I know the answer, like I would try to answer it. And like what I mentioned, aura farming. So this is something that I used to do. Okay. So very weird thing, but this is like a big thing in Nagpur, might also be a big thing in other places. So in 9th, 10th, 10th, like we used to have like classes, not just for science and maths. We used to have coaching classes for SST, for English also. ठीक है, SST English की क्लास होती थी. So ऐसे SST English की क्लास में मैं जाके बैठता था.
ST is social studies.
Yeah. So
Something else.
नहीं, I think it's called SST India में पूरा, because CBSE ना.
Yeah.
Yeah. तो basically वहाँ पे ना, तो वहाँ पे I was one of the smarter kids. So I used to know the answers. तो वहाँ पे आई यूज टू ऑरा फार्म सो हार्ड. सो तुमने बोला ना कि तुम हाथ नहीं उठाती थी, तो व्हाट यूज टू हैपन दैट सर क्वेश्चन पूछते थे. अब क्वेश्चन अगर इजी रहा तो सारे बच्चे हाथ उठाते थे, ठीक है, उसमें मैं हाथ नहीं उठाता था. क्वेश्चन थोड़ा टफ रहा, 3-4 बच्चे हाथ उठा रहे थे, उसमें भी मैं हाथ नहीं उठाता था. लाइक क्वेश्चन अगर बहुत ही हाई लेवल हुआ, ठीक है, मैं वेट करता था. अगर ऑफ कोर्स मुझे आता होता तो, लाइक मुझे ही नहीं आता, आई एम नॉट सेइंग मुझे सब क्वेश्चन आते थे. But what I used to do, I used to wait and I used to look around कि कोई आंसर करना चाहता है क्या, any of the lower people want to answer क्या. और अगर कोई नहीं आंसर करना चाहता, then I used to put my hand up, and then when I got the answer right ना, वो like क्या फीलिंग रहती थी. तो एक बार ऐसे ही कोई ग्रामर का कुछ था, ठीक है, अब fill in the blanks था, ठीक है, तो उसमें अब बच्चे कंफ्यूज कि इसमें हैड आएगा, हैज आएगा, हैव आएगा, क्या आएगा. ठीक है, सबकी गांड फट गई थी. ठीक है, आई थिंक वो अभी तो 36 मिनट हो गए, अब तो कुछ भी गाली दे सकते हैं, आई गेस. बट बेसिकली तो उसमें nobody could answer, everybody was giving wrong answers because everybody was trying everything. And when the thing is कि सब गलत हो रहे थे, तो they were like कि अगर had नहीं है, has नहीं है, have नहीं है, तो फिर क्या आंसर है. And then I come in at the end, I raise my hand and I say had.
Yeah.
I said had. And पहले तो everybody loses their mind, and when sir says it's right, Oh my god, what like that feeling? Oh my god, it was so good. I miss that shit so much.
Oh my god, that you know what this like teachers se milne was here.
I know, I
So this happened to me in like my first semester here in my like masters. So there was this one professor. He used to teach us like one of the difficult wala subject, and he was very he was a very moody guy. Okay, he was like he was a very volatile, moody kind of guy that you would never know कि आज आके वो क्या करना. Sometimes he would just come into class and not teach, but just roam around and talk to people. Ki where are you from, blah blah blah, and he would spend the entire 50 minutes doing it.
yeah.
The other times he would come, like explain everything to you and just leave. So he was like that, and he was really moody. Like उनका मन अच्छा रहता था, so he would all be like ये sunshine rainbows. नहीं तो he वो बहुत गांड मारते थे.
Yeah, yeah.
So one like again as I said, I used to never answer, and he also never used to ask any questions. Okay, like he was a kind of guy like उनको ना notes लिखने से problem होती थी बच्चों के, because he was like कि मैं दे रहा हूँ, तो he wanted to be like this TEDx speaker कि if I'm talking, your like 100% attention should be on me. So बच्चे उनकी क्लास में like record करते थे उनका lecture so that वो बाद में जाके notes बना सके. So one time, like this was during the, like I think 2 weeks in or like something. So I went to the college canteen and I saw like a group of professors and he was also there.
Yeah.
So I thought कि यार ये मुझे 80 बच्चों की क्लास में ये why would he recognize me? But it's my duty to greet him. So I just said like good evening sir, and he's like कि अरे हाँ good evening like हाँ eating or whatever. So
Yes.
yeah.
Okay.
So that was funny, and then I was like, yeah, he won't remember it, obviously.
Yeah.
Next day, okay, he comes into class and he's like, yeah, what is your name? I was like, हाँ sir, Pariksha. He's like, हाँ, had food? Uh, yes sir, yes sir. Yeah, yesterday I saw you, so I was like, yes, sorry.
From yesterday, did you have food in the 24 hours between our two interactions? Have you had any food?
Yeah, so that became his thing.
Oh, nice.
Like every other day or every other week now, he would just randomly ask. And like, funnily enough, I saw him in the canteen 2 more times. And then, one time I was like, you know what? I was like, maybe I should just pay for his food also. So this is on me. But obviously I did not do that because he used to be with like other professors. But that became like this thing that every time he would come into class and he's like, yeah, had food, had breakfast and blah, blah, blah. And I thought that's the only thing he knows me. Sorry. But I don't know how, I don't know why. So at the end of our semester, so it was like his last class.
Okay.
So again, he just came in, started talking to people, was just like, he was in a very jolly mood. So he was just like, goofing around and, pulling people's legs. And then his gaze, like, it fell upon me and he's like, "Ki, yeah, Pariksha, something he said." And then randomly, he's like, "Ki, you know what? Like, to the class." And he's like, "Ki, you know what? She is like the benchmark for me because, every time I would teach, it was very clear on her face and I would just read her expressions that if I thought that I am doing something right, it would be very clear on her face. And if I thought that, she is looking a bit confused, that was my cue to, change my direction or, like, see, I used to feel that, oh no, I should be doing this instead of that. So she became this benchmark. And I was like, wait, you saw me 3 times in the carol. That was it, dude. I thought that's the only thing recognizing.
Or he felt your aura from the last page.
That was the highlight of, my semester.
Yeah. And though even we have like a very, I say, quirky professor. I won't take his name, but I think my political science teacher. That like it's not like I don't have it as a subject anymore. But the thing is, he's in the college.
Yeah.
I think he might leave or something.
Oh.
But in the college, people either love him or people like just hate him because he never like in the way that you would think. Like, not just in a school way, but even in a college way, this guy does not, you know, quote unquote teach.
Yeah.
Like, he comes in and he narrates.
Yeah.
Like, he tells his experience of, just like life in general, of like something maybe happened. And the thing is, then he connects it to political science. So you have to really give him the time and the attention
Yeah.
that it would require, because he will just come in and he'll talk about his time in Punjab, and he will not even talk about something overtly political. He'll just talk about, oh हाँ अरे मेरा बेटा बीमार हो गया था, या something like that. um but the thing is, if you gave him the time, then he would connect it to the subject, and then you would feel like, shit, oh, this guy knows so much. So he does not spoon feed you. He
Yeah.
tells you a story and then connects it to political
It's
science.
actually very amazing because
Yeah.
I know people who are like, oh no, they are like just wasting our time, or they should just like cut to the chase and directly bata dena chahiye. But I feel if you are in this, like on this level at least, or if you are like doing like a degree, or if you are like pursuing higher studies, you cannot be like you cannot expect the professor like to just spoon feed you shit, because then ki it will only be there. You are only like taking it for like wo marks wala point of view.
Yeah.
And okay, that's fine. If that's your goal, that's completely fine. But I feel people have this thing against the professors कि लोगों को लगता है यार इनको कुछ पढ़ा नहीं रहता, इनको सिर्फ आके like वो में करके जाना रहता है. But I feel that if you give them the chance, they can also, because ultimately they are also human beings.
Yeah.
They are equally like a victim of the management ka politics just as much as the students. So I feel if you have like this one good professor जिनका तुमको मालूम है कि यार this guy ना or this ma'am ना, they are amazing. It just like उनको वो नहीं मिल रहा है, या फिर वो reciprocate नहीं कर रहा है बच्चे. So I feel like you should be कि यार I can be like a small change, because ultimately I know even if they see if I am also like a speaker and there are like 80-100 students in front of me, अगर at the end of the day I feel मैंने किसी 2 लोगों के भी लाइफ में कुछ भी थोड़ा भी चेंज लाया है,
Yeah.
तो I would be satisfied कि हाँ भाई ठीक है, like 2 लोग बहुत बड़ी बात होती है.
Yeah. Maybe that's the thing. Like, हमारे क्लास में भी people used to be like कि ये पढ़ाता ही नहीं है, ये कुछ करता ही नहीं है, ये पीपीटी बना. People used to be like that. And the thing is कि even with him, the thing is he complimented me really well one time. When we were like, when I was in that war, the thing is कि we used to have research papers and we used to have presentations.
Yeah.
The thing is कि अब 60 बच्चों की क्लास है, अब उसमें 60 रिसर्च पेपर तो कोई प्रोफेसर नहीं पढ़ रहा है. प्रोफेसर यूज टू ग्रेड यू फॉर द रिसर्च पेपर ऑल्सो बेस्ड ऑन योर प्रेजेंटेशन, क्योंकि उससे मतलब समझ जाता है ना कि क्या है बेसिकली से, विच इज आई थिंक फेयर, बिकॉज इतना सारा कौन पढ़ता है. सो द थिंग इज कि बट देन ऑफ कोर्स लाइक चैट जीपीटी एंड ऑल आने के बाद दे वर लाइक कि नहीं, लेट्स नॉट वेस्ट एवरीबॉडीज टाइम, लेट्स skip this. तो वो टाइम पे आई रोट अ रिसर्च पेपर एंड आई गेव अ प्रेजेंटेशन. पॉलिटिकल साइंस में वी हैड कोल्ड वॉर, तो आई गेव अ प्रेजेंटेशन ऑन प्रोपेगेंडा फिल्म्स ड्यूरिंग द कोल्ड वॉर, both from USSR and USA's
Yeah.
side. And he really loved it. And he was like, great presentation, great research paper, great whatever. And like, तो मस्त उन्होंने तारीफ की थी. एंड द थिंग इज कि लाइक इट फेल्ट रियली नाइस, बिकॉज द थिंग इज दीज काइंड ऑफ पीपल नो दैट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, दे आल्सो आर नॉट वेरी इजी टू like praise somebody. Yeah, they're not eager to praise somebody or something like that. So ऐसा like it felt really nice.
Yeah.
Like when he did that.
Yeah.
Even I think like with the other professor that we had for political science, we had a female teacher also. She was also very nice because she was like really into films also, तो वो भी ऐसे examples देती थी मैम. And I think I told you एक बार ऐसे क्लास में, तो The thing is कि we used to have ऐसे अब the thing is कि हमारे कॉलेज में कल्चरल फेस्ट और ये सब होता है बट इट्स नॉट प्रायोरिटाइज लाइक तो अभी कुछ तो हो रहा था कुछ तो आई थिंक डांस हो रहा था एंड द थिंग इज इफ यू लेफ्ट क्लास एंड इफ यू वेंट टू सॉ द डांस और व्हाटएवर यू वुड गेट अटेंडेंस एंड हमारे कॉलेज में अटेंडेंस का बहुत सीन है 80% कंपल्सरी लाइक आई विल नॉट टेक द नेम ऑफ द कॉलेज बिकॉज बाद में अगर मेरे को कॉलेज को गाली देनी रही आई डोंट वांट टू लाइक इवन लीव द रिमोटेस्ट पॉसिबिलिटी दैट आई गेट इनटू ट्रबल तो आई विल नॉट टेक नेम्स बट ठीक है इतना अटेंडेंस का सीन रहता है तो हम जा सकते थे तो ये सर की क्लास चल रही थी अब उन्होंने बोला कि अरे प्रथम जी आप तो बड़े वो लग रहे हो आई थिंक आपको ज़रूरत है थोड़ा डांस देखने की तो ठीक है ऐसे ही लाइक ही मेड अ क्विप ठीक है अब द थिंग इज कि आई न्यू कि इफ आई रिप्लाई लाइक इट विल हैव टू बी funny. Like I can't be hurt by his statement.
Yeah.
I think that will lead to a very ugly place. And I can't be like
Okay.
I can't dismiss it
Yeah.
because the thing is ki then he'll grill me more. So I have to give a reply and it has to be good and it has to be ballsy. But the thing is ki it needs to be good in quality. I can't just be rude to Krish. Like So I was like कि सर ये डांस वांस तो यूट्यूब पे भी दिख जाएगा बट आप जो पढ़ा रहे हो वो तो कहीं और नहीं मिलेगा तो the thing is the whole class laughed and he was also him like
That's cool. That's so now should we go to another prompt or should we like end?
philosophical ये तो बहुत टाइम है like this is just like what
I guess
48
we are
minutes
making like two different 1 hour segment.
हाँ तो the thing is कि we can but इसमें तो 1 घंटा भी नहीं हुआ है ना the thing is कि I feel like we should let it run till like 1.5 hours maybe क्योंकि आधा घंटा maybe we'll cut
Yeah.
and basically we can have breaks like in the middle of questions so we can just divide like question wise
हाँ.
कि ये वाले इसमें इतने question लिए ये वाले इसमें इतने question लिए so this time we have like taken prompts next time say we'll think of some other topic only or like various amounts of topics or various like stories in life or something like that like this is so I think this is a very intro type of class like isme we're like we'll figure it out as we do it yeah okay does time have a beginning or an end can people change is our universe real is there only one universe do the needs of the many outweigh the needs of the few what is truth why do we dream does free will really exist I think we can do a whole podcast just on dreams
This is
just that
ये साला point मतलब कि ना we can like give it we can take this later.
yeah
अभी we can ask.
फिर इतना पार्ट मैं शायद काट दूंगा
हाँ.
ये जो हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं ना इतने तुम पानी वानी पी लो सब एक सुट्टा भी जलाएंगे
Oh, these are very interesting. So, I think this we covered this one question. What would you do if you knew that you would never fail or you could not fail? So, I think for you it can be.
yeah but like let's not do it like that but let's okay so let's do one thing let's take that question as like a small thing like what if you did like today like just
Yeah.
like what is that one thing that you would do like if you just like could not fail like what is the hack like the hack answer like I would just ask Ambani for all his money like I would not fail then I would get all his money
Akash, I was thinking of that I would like to bake like the perfect
I mean that's also
chocolate. What that?
I'm not shocked
But if I could not fail and if I could do it like right now, I would make like a lemon raspberry, cake, like this loaf cake, really moist.
honestly every time a reel pops up and it has something to do with raspberries or something like that the thing is you don't get this shit here like that shit you just don't get
Like even even if you can somehow get it, it's like very
Which are absurdly expensive.
very expensive.
So the thing is like that, like when I look at it, fuck, I always think like कि यार ये खाने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा?
True. Damn, wait. Let me just check if there is, price of strawberries, because I remember the last time I checked, it was some absurdly high size. So like 125. Sorry, raspberry.
Oh, raspberry, yeah. The price of just raspberries, yeah. It would be absurdly high, yeah. Because I don't think it's Indian, no?
Damn, the frozen. There is like
Frozen,
frozen raspberry pack. Just guess how much is 200 grams.
200 grams. Let's say 400 rupees.
500.
Five, 499. You know? But I mean, this is also a fast delivery app that we will not name. This is one that I don't really like that much because of their policies and all. But yeah, like the thing is, these like I mean, but this might also be MRP, right? Because this is like a packaged thing.
But see, there is no fresh alternative to this.
Yeah. Do you want to search like as a in like restaurant level? Like, are they making anything raspberry flavored or something like that?
Let me just check on this one. Because I love the concept of a lemon raspberry
Yeah.
cheesecake or something like that.
Yeah.
At the same time.
Like raspberry compote.
Yeah, it's insanely expensive. They don't have. They don't have it. No.
Sad.
Okay.
Oh, this one. Show call. Hello. Wait. I'll show it to you. So this okay. This says raspberry, but do you know? So this is a chocolate again, something that we don't want to name.
Yeah.
But it's like a raspberry flavored covered chocolate or something. The highest percentage of ingredient. Does it show? Yeah, it does not show. Okay. So highest percentage of ingredients is a fruit extract. Okay. Which fruit? Fruit extract, maybe not being the right word, but like some fruit thing. Okay. Fruit flavoring or whatever the fuck you want to call it. Some fruit thing in it. Okay. It has some fruit thing. Which fruit do you think is there for raspberry? The highest percentage. And it's not raspberry. So which fruit do you think they use?
Is it strawberry?
No.
Is it banana?
No. It's fucking papaya.
It's
Papaya.
I hate papaya.
Papaya is amazing. I like papaya. मैंने बहुत टाइम से खाया नहीं है because I've just replaced papaya in my life with cucumbers. Because the thing is, I'm not crazy about the taste of papaya, but the way it makes you feel.
It doesn't make me feel like
It makes me feel so rejuvenated. Like it has such a light yet, it's such a warmth to it. Like it's so nice.
That's-
Like it's a very soulful fruit. Papaya is a very nice. Like there is the problem with papaya is that for a long time I used to only specifically go out and buy fruits. तो वो अभी भी कम ही होता है. So the thing about papaya, if you order from any delivery app, the thing is if you order cucumber, it's fairly priced. First thing, fairly priced. Second thing, good quality. Not great quality, good quality.
good quality. Yeah.
But papaya, the thing is they always give you unripe papaya. It's raw papaya practically. So you have to wait, first of all. You cannot keep it in the fridge. You have to keep it outside. You have to wait for that time for it to ripen. So it's a whole thing. You have to wait 3 days. And then the thing is, it's a whole big ass papaya.
Yeah.
And the thing is, if I'm the only person eating it, I'll have to eat a lot of papaya in those 1 or 2 days because then it'll go bad only. So it's a big problem in that sense.
That's right.
Just as a break, we can put a break here. And Paru was yawning, just for the record.
Yeah, because
so-
it's what?
It's 12:45.
Yeah, 12:45 a.m.
When did you wake up?
I-
12 hours ago you woke up, sorry.
No,
12 hours.
I woke up at like 7 a.m.
Oh, for one moment, just a moment, you just like, oh, you acknowledged that it's 7 and then you went back.
No, that's not true.
That is true.
That's really not true. Oh, by the way, we forgot to mention that we've been together for 7 years, guys.
Ooh,
Yeah, so
for a reason.
that's one thing about us, like something about our personal life. We've known each other for like a really long time.
Yeah,
When-
I was the one who sort of approached.
Yeah, no, that's a different story for like another day. We'll do like an entire episode on
Oh yeah.
like our relationship. Oh my god.
My God, story time.
But yeah, we were in the same school like till the 10th grade.
Do you think you can do like a story time like the? Nay, I will not take the name. But can I take the name? I guess I'm just asking you a question. Can you do a story time like the rebel kid? Like where she's like overly enthusiastic and like कि फिर मेरे साथ ये हुआ फिर मैंने ये किया फिर
I mean, I see if I'm enthusiastic about something, I think I can. Like not
Yeah.
I don't know like her, but I can be very enthusiastic about the things I like. So you know,
That's nice. Now, what were you saying about school 10 standard?
yeah. So we were in the same school now until 10th standard, and but ironically enough, we started dating after that.
Yeah, it's sweet. Like every time I tell it to some person, or like the thing is, if I don't mention it, they're like, "Oh, you guys were friends from school." Sure.
And we're like, yeah, actually no.
No, not from. We know each other from school.
That's
Very good.
So, what are your thoughts
On.
on the mango sticky rice we just had?
Oh yeah. I mean, can we like? Do you think like
We don't
like
name
a?
place. We just say that
Yeah, we can talk about it, but like this is like a yeah, but like I mean, the vibe of the podcast can be whatever. Like we don't have to like stick to a topic.
yeah, and this is
Yeah.
starting of now.
Yeah.
We to be sad because this like happened
Yeah,
40 minutes ago.
yeah. So we for like okay. So this is not just something that we were like, oh, let's have it and
Yeah.
you know, इसका हाइप बहुत टाइम से बना के रखा था
हाँ.
ठीक है लाइक ये बहुत टाइम से हमने सोच के रखा था कि शिट मैंगो स्टिकी राइस मैंगो स्टिकी राइस मैंगो स्टिकी राइस मैंगो स्टिकी राइस oh my god we'll have it oh it'll be like so moist and so juicy the mango will complement the will be so nice or whatever and बहुत टाइम से हाइप बना हुआ था और the thing is कि another thing that we would remember it at night and the thing is we sleep very late also we would like remember it at night and randomly we would just you know uh whatever like we would
You
like we would try to look for it like we would try to order it but वो कहीं मिलता ही नहीं था तो we were always like shit कल मंगाएंगे ऐसे like कुछ दिनों से चल रहा था तो like आज हमने finally we were like 7-8 बजे ही we were like कि you know let's schedule the order and बाद में भले आए लेट्स जस्ट स्केड्यूल इट नाउ ओनली कि बाद में अगर वो अवेलेबल नहीं रहा है ऐसा वैसा नहीं रहा तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी तो वी स्केड्यूल इट देन एंड देयर एंड वो आया ठीक है एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लाइक उसको देख के थोड़ा क्वाइट अंडरवेलमिंग टू लुक एट इट वाज दिस राइस एंड उसके ऊपर कटा हुआ मैंगो ठीक है
And it's not even the mango that you would expect.
या फ्रॉम द फोटोज एट बैक द फोटोज
Yeah.
या ठीक है so it was fuck all mango first of all and the rice was so disgusting like I'm sorry but the rice was disgusting
It
Like,
was.
meetha rice like I don't know maybe it can work but it did not this time it did not
Yeah, but see, like, I would just like to clarify that we knew about the concept. You were very
yeah
that what would come. It's just the quality was the rice, when you look at like the recipes of, mango sticky rice, you expect it to be like, of a certain consistency. You want it to be like, acha, itna moist hona chahiye. It should have like that coconut puree that everyone talks about. The mango should be like this. The mango was dry as fuck. It was not the variety of mango that should be eaten with sticky rice, first of all. And the rice itself was so dry. That thing that they did with the tres leches that we got, that they gave us the additional, yeah, like keep it moist to keep it. Yeah, they should have done that. But it was just dried, like little sweet rice, chewy rice with just like this dry, flavorless mango, and it was so sad because we were like having a good run. Everything that we were ordering,
Everything that we tried a lot of shit during
yeah,
like,
and
this run.
all of it was good. Like it was really, really good.
Yeah.
And now it was so disappointing. And yeah, but still, I feel that maybe like if we try it in some other place and if they
I
can.
don't think I.
Yeah, I don't think you are trying it. I might again, just to see that, oh, is it like,
Is it the dish or is it the
yeah, is it the place? Exactly. Makes sense. So, how much would you give it though out of 5?
out of 5? Um, 0.
Same, like,
There was no redeeming.
yeah, there was nothing to, like, there was no facing.
First bite, I knew that I.
Yeah, something looked, you were like busy and I opened it and I was like, no, this is going to be a disaster because it just looked so unappetizing. And I have no high tolerance. I can eat.
Yeah.
Yeah, chalo khā lenge high tolerance. Chalega types. But this was just bad. This is like very bad.
Yeah. Okay, so that was it for episode 2 of the Pipeline podcast. Like, share, subscribe, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye bye.